All right, they want the main purpose of the text. When you read, don't focus on all the details. Just see like what's repeated, what matters, okay? In 2007, computer scientist Luis van Ahn was working on converting printed books into a digital format. He found that some words were distorted enough that digital scanners couldn't recognize them, but most humans could easily read them. Based on that finding, van Ahn invented a simple security test to keep automated bots out of websites. So he invented something. The first version of the reCAPTCHA test asked users to type one known word in one of the many words scanners couldn't recognize. Correct answers proved the users were humans and added data to the book digitizing project. So this is just a good example of like someone invented something. Okay, so this guy invented something. To discuss Van Ahn's invention of reCAPTCHA. Yeah, just like about the invention. That's probably right. Let's look at the other choices. To explain how digital scanners work, no. It's saying a problem that the scanners had. It's not really analyzing how they work. And even if it is, it's kind of in the context of this CAPTCHA thing. So the how is actually the problem word here. That means we would need like some sort of detailed explanation of how this thing works, and we're just not getting that. It's giving us just a very quick look at it scanning books and words. C, to call attention to Van Ahn's book digitizing project. No, it's not about the project. It's about this thing that he invented because of the project. So the project is not the focus here. And D, to indicate how popular reCAPTCHA is. Well, turn this into a question. How popular is it? Right? Well, it doesn't say. Right? It says he invented this thing. And we maybe know it's popular because you use it probably when you're logging on certain websites, but it never says it's popular as far as I can tell. Certainly, that is not the point of this. It's just to say how this came about. So this is definitely A, and this is why when you read, don't worry about all the details. Just try to think like, what are they getting to? What is their main point? Well, they're kind of describing how he came to have this idea. They're describing the invention. Then they're maybe giving a little bit of a consequence of it. But you don't need to memorize all the details. It's just a summary. So keep it simple. You only need to go into detail if you then have a couple choices left that force you to go into detail. But don't do more work than you need. Keep it simple. See where that gets you. Usually it'll just get you the answer.